Hey guys, long time no see. This is Leo from ASL Are you considering getting a heater, a humidifier for this Christmas? Well, here it is. Let me present you the brand new Magicminer, a heater, a humidifier, and most importantly, a miner, the FM01. Well, first, let's check out its package. On the front, it's the image of this machine. You can see the model name FM01 here, and this is the Magicminer logo: heater, humidifier, and miner. On the side, it's the product information. It's just some information like the hash rate. It can deliver 30 terahashes per second at 300 watts, and its humidification level is 280 milliliter per hour. And the other side is is where you can use this machine, like the living room, the office, the bedroom, the back corner. Okay, this is basically its package. Now let's take a look what's inside. Because this box is kind of big, so I have to put it on the ground to show you. Alright, let's open it up. Well, first we have a cable. It's a Chinese standard cable. Let's check out this machine itself. There are two little handles on both sides so you can lift it. And on the front, this massive grill is where the heat comes from. And this little screen, I think it shows all the information like hash rate, power consumption, or temperature. And on the back side, the back grill is where the airflow comes in. And on the top, here is a reset button. This is the Wi-Fi antenna, and this is the Ethernet port. On the button, this is the power connection and the switch. On the top, you can see two buttons right here. One is mode button, one is mist button. And you can switch 3 different modes with this mode button, which are silent mode, standard mode, and high efficiency mode. And I'll show you how the mist button works later on. And this little cap here, when I open it, this is where you can pour the water in, and you press this button, the moisture, the mist will come out from this little hole. Now let's check how it performs as a humidifier. Let's turn it on. First, let's just add some water in this little water container. Then just press this mist button, and as you can see, it starts working instantly. You can even add a few drops of essential oil if you want a nice scent. I think as a miner, you don't have to worry about its heating function. Let's take a look. Yeah, as you can see, it's around 58, let's see 60 degrees Celsius. So it's perfect to put in your bedroom or living room, and it's very quiet. Let's check its noise level. Yeah, it's around 50 decibels, 1 meter away. So you don't have to worry about it being so noisy or something. So if you want to stay warm and humidified this winter without missing on mining, then go to our store aslminer.com and place your order now. This is Leo. I'll see you next time.